Good morning, y'all. As you can see behind me, the van is still real tore up. Let's see the other side here. Yeah, full of junk. So we haven't been able to dump all of this stuff, so we haven't really got much done. I spent a small amount of time dealing with the fuel pump issue. Ended up being a loose wire. Today I'm just, I don't know, doing some tiny stuff around here, trying to take out a couple of these wall panels, because I think I have somebody that's gonna come pick up and haul all this junk for me. Thanks. So, we'll get busy then. So it looks like to get the panels off, I kind of need to take the windows off, because there's an aluminum flange that goes around the window over the panel. I don't have a tarp yet, so I don't want to remove the windows, because we've been having pretty steady storms lately. So today we're taking out the water heater and possibly the gas heater, and I guess I should remove the shore power as well. We'll see if we get to that today though. Vacate. Just gonna let that do its own thing.